hours, dollars, story points, whichever one you count, you'll have a problem measuring schedule performance. Done converges on planned, whether performance is improving or worsening. In the end, done equals plan, and the indicators look good, even if the project finishes late. Power counts solve the problem. They contain a defined mathematical relationship to time. The counts currently done map to when they should have been done. That in turn points to the time earned. Better counts, better metrics. Like a burn-down chart. One period is planned for each period elapsed. At the end of each period, subtract the time earned from the planned duration. If the time earned is below plan, you're ahead of schedule. If the time earned is above plan, you're behind schedule. The burn down gives you a quick reading on schedule performance. On time? Yes or no. Here, it's no. The visual is a good communication tool for stakeholders, but it's weak for analysis. For example, how big a gap signals a crisis? Performance rates give the answer. They tell us how well or poorly time is being used on the project. The calculation is time earned divided by actual time. If the rate is greater than the nominal 1.0, you're using time more efficiently than planned. If the rate is less than 1.0, you're using time less efficiently than planned. As a ratio, the rate applies consistently across projects, regardless of size and methodology. And look at this. At the end of a late project, the rate ends up below the nominal 1.0. By contrast, the rate for counts ends up at the nominal. Many projects are time sensitive, and we're often asked, when will we finish? We can use performance rates to get an answer. Divide the rate into the planned duration to get the estimated duration. Then compare the estimated duration to the planned duration. If the estimate exceeds the plan, that's a warning. If the estimate exceeds the reserve, that's a crisis. And look at what happens at the end of the project. The power count estimate converges on the actual duration, while the count-based estimate converges on the planned duration. Better counts, better metrics. When measuring schedule performance, power count metrics are the clear winner. P.S. I feel like the singer Joe Cocker. He recorded the Beatles' Help from My Friends. He sang the same notes, but sounded completely different. Walt Lipke created the math I used here. Pat Weaver adapted it to work, and now I've adapted both to counts. Same notes, different sound.